welcome back to my video. This is Erica from Confessions of a Homeschooler, and I have another really fun video for you today. Today we are partnering with Fabfitfun again to bring you the winter add-ons. If you guys are unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, they are a seasonal subscription box. They're full of full-sized, which is my favorite part, health, wellness, beauty, and lifestyle products. Like I mentioned, they're seasonal, so they come out 4 times a year, and we are gearing up for the winter box right now. And so the winter add-ons are special products that you can add onto your winter box at a discounted rate. So they have a members-only special sale where you can get these products and you can add them onto your box. So if you see anything you like in today's video, make sure to head over and add them onto your box right away because they do sell out. The Fabfitfun boxes are $49.99 a month, but I do have a special coupon code. I will put it for you right here. So make sure to use your coupon code when you purchase your box and you'll get $10 off your box, making it $39.99, and they always include over $200 worth of products. If you're already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription so that you can get early access to the add-on products. It's definitely worth it because they sell out fast. All right, let's go ahead and see what the add-ons are for this winter's box. Oh, no. Okay, better. All right, our first product is the Avos Seed Grow Your Own Avocado Tree grower. And I remember when I was growing up and my mom always tried to grow avocado seeds and they never worked, but she used to put toothpicks in the sides of the seeds and just balance them on a cup, but then the water always goes out. So I'm actually kind of excited to try this, see if it really works. We are going to eat an avocado today for lunch so that we can check it out, but it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is put in an avocado pit in the center and then set it into a bowl of water. Watch it grow. And the Avos Seed retails for $10.95, but again, you can get this on discount in the members only area of your Fabfitfun subscription. All right, our next product is Optimism. This is an aroma therapy essential oil of thyme, linalool, there's sweet orange, sage, a couple other things in there. And when I first got this, I was thinking, but actually, so here's what it looks like, and I will do a close-up for you, but it's basically just a roller ball, and it smells so good, you guys. And this is one of the things about the winter add-ons. I haven't really got into them yet, but all of the products that are in this box are geared towards wellness, keeping your spirits up, and being energetic and lifting, and all of those things that you kind of need in the wintertime. So there's a lot of hydrating products and things like that in there. I was surprised to see this, and honestly, I was surprised that I even liked it, but it smells so good, and just smelling it just kind of makes you a little bit happier, right? I wasn't really particularly sad to start out with, but this just kind of lifts my spirits just all that much more. Loving this. And this product retails for $39.50. All right, the next product we have is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Yes. This serum retails for $78.99. I have tried Murad products before and they're really nice. This one says to use at night, apply a thin layer to face and follow with a moisturizer. It's a gentle formula that quickly and visibly minimizes lines and deep wrinkles, firms even skin tones, and boosts radiance for more vibrant, youthful looking skin. Sounds right up my alley and perfect for wintertime. All right, the next product I have is Aloe Up for the Face Daily Facial Moisturizer. It's hypoallergenic, infused with antioxidants, and fragrance-free. It also has a SPF of 25, which is really nice, and it stimulates immune system and regenerates skin cells. It is non-greasy. It can be worn under makeup while restoring and hydrating skin. It's also paraben-free, retinol-free, alcohol and mineral oil-free, fragrance-free, and it's biodegradable and reef-friendly and cruelty-free. And my skin responded really well to it. I do have kind of sensitive skin, and this actually worked pretty well for me. It's nothing super heavy or anything like that, but I do like this product. This product retails for $24. All right, the next product I have is the Living Proof Flex Hairspray, and I've got to say that I'm not normally a hairspray kind of person, but of course I wanted to try this product out just to kind of let you guys know how it is, and I actually really like it. I have it on today and I don't even really feel like I have anything in my hair. It's really nice and light. It also, for hairspray, smells incredibly good. It is a little aerosol kind of spray top, and yeah, it smells really good. I can't quite name the fragrance, but it's just really nice and light, and it doesn't smell super chemically like most hairsprays do. So thumbs up for this. It retails for $19.99. Like I said, don't forget that these products are all on sale in your members only area. So the prices that I'm giving you are retail prices, but you can get up to 70% off on them. So definitely head over and check them out. I definitely recommend this one. Okay, the next product is the Immunology Oxygen Treatment Cream. This is designed for overnight use, and it sweeps away dead skin cells, diminishes dark spots, and cleanses impurities for a radiant, clean, and clear complexion while simultaneously nourishing, firming, and plumping the skin. And this guy retails for $195, you guys. I'm not usually one to buy super expensive skincare products like this, but since it came to me for review, I'm definitely gonna try it out. It's super light, it's fragrance free. It really honestly doesn't smell like anything, but it's definitely very nice and full. It's a nice container, excellent packaging. I don't like to necessarily pay for packaging, although this is quite impressive. I do like it. We'll see how it kind of goes, but it's an oxygen treatment that should help out, especially during those winter months. One of the things that I'm loving about all of these winter products is they're just all about making winter the best it can be, just keeping your skin the most hydrated and in the best shape it can be, keeping your spirits lifted and things like that. And so I'm kind of excited to try this product. I'm gonna hand it. All right. Okay, the next product I have, and this might be my favorite product in this box. This stuff is awesome. It is the Selah Cream. It retails for $59. It's a soft, luxurious day cream with cacao butter and abyssinian oil with antioxidants, vitamins, omega acids, and minerals, orange peel, and grapefruit essential oils. And it has this nice little pump, you guys, and this stuff smells delicious. Like, just putting this on puts you in a good mood. It smells like an orange creamsicle, you know, like summer. I don't know, it's just bright and cheery, and every time I put this on, I just want to put it everywhere. It's kind of like that product that you smell, it smells so good you kind of want to eat it. Obviously I'm not gonna, but kind of want to. This is probably one of my favorite products in here. It is a lighter cream, so it's not super thick and heavy. I've been using it for the past couple days though, and I feel like my skin feels really nice and hydrated. We live in Colorado, if you don't know, and it gets dry here in the wintertime. My skin is always super dry, and so I have to use something that's really decent quality, otherwise I start getting cracks in my skin and it's just not pretty. So anyways, I'm really enjoying this. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's actually keeping my skin really nice and hydrated. I would definitely go out and purchase this myself. All right, the next product we have is the Grace and Stella Mud Mask. This is $16.95 retail. It's a mineral-rich Dead Sea mud mask. It's a detoxifying mask that helps with blemishes, blackheads, wrinkles, cellulite, yay, textured and congested skin. And I actually tried this product. I really am happy with it. It's super creamy and smooth, and you almost don't even feel like you have anything on your skin. It does dry like a normal face mask, but it doesn't dry super tight on your face to where you can't like really even move your face. As a matter of fact, you can't even hardly tell it's on, and I think it would be really easy to accidentally walk out of the house like that. Not that I did that. This product retails for $16.95, and it is probably another one of my absolute faves in this box. All right, the next product we have is the Lolia Breath Lotion. It is retailing for $25. It has shea butter and macadamia nuts along with a fresh aroma. This is a super nice lotion. The only complaint that I had on this is when I went to open it up, it does have the seal on the top, and it didn't have the little poker to kind of open the seal, so I had to just get something else. Otherwise, it's actually a really nice product. I love the smell of it. It's nice and hydrating. It's creamy, but not too thick or anything like that. And again, I think this product is great as far as lightening the mood goes. Again, retails for $25. I'm not sure what it's on sale for. Definitely have to check that out in the members section. The next product we have is from Summer and Rose, and this says, check cozy off your list. These are winter meets summer and rose. Socks made for lounging and lazying around. They are super soft and cozy and extra comfy, and your feet will stay summertime warm all season long. And I love these socks. I buy these kinds of socks every year. I get them for my kids. I get them for myself. They are one of my favorites. I was super excited to see these in this month's box. I wish you guys had touch-o-vision so you could see how soft and squishy these socks are. These are super soft and cozy. I love these socks. I'm super excited to have a set for this year. Or not. All right guys, so those are all the add-ons for the 2018 Winter Fabfitfun box. Again, don't forget to use my code if you're going to subscribe to the boxes. It'll get you $10 off your first box. If you liked any items that you saw in today's videos, make sure to run over and add them to your box. You add them through the members only sales section, so you're getting them at a discounted price. I think they're up to 70% off, which is awesome. And then they will ship out with your winter box when it comes, so you get extra goodies. Anyways, they do sell out from what I understand. And so if you saw something that you like, definitely head over and add them to your box now. That way you're sure to get them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around because I will have the Fabfitfun winter box coming soon, and I can't wait with all of these add-on products. They were so luxurious and awesome. I can't wait to see what's actually in the winter box. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. If you're already a member, you can upgrade to a... This is a robot... I want to smell it. It smells good, doesn't it?
I called it.
Nice try.
Still did not. The next one.
Maybe we should put a pillow over there in case you missed. That helps minimize lines, deepen wrinkles. Oh, that deepens wrinkles. No. Ooh, she got it.